You've got 15 roles to fill, 200 candidates in the pipeline, and you're fielding calls nonstop. Another missed voicemail. Another follow-up is buried in your call log. And Loxo alone won't save you. Loxo tracks applications, but what about all your phone calls, texts, and voicemails? Your hiring CRM can't log what it doesn't hear. Switching tabs, manually logging calls, and missing follow-ups. Candidates slip through the cracks, not because of bad sourcing, but because your phone system isn't connected. KrispCall brings your entire phone workflow into Loxo. Every call, text, and voicemail synced in real time, right inside your dashboard. Okay, let's set up KrispCall integration in Loxo and see how it's all done. Simply log into your KrispCall account and go to Settings. Navigate to Integrations and search for Loxo. Click on Connect, and KrispCall will prompt for your Loxo API details. Now, head over to your Loxo account, go to the Careers page, and copy your agency slug from the URL. Then, navigate to Settings and click on API keys. Come back to KrispCall and enter the valid details here, along with your email. It's done. Your CRM is integrated successfully. Now that your CRM is connected, let's customize the integration to fit your needs. In General Settings, configure your regular sync preferences. Next, in Workflow Settings, manage your sync options in detail. And in the Connected Numbers, add one or all numbers to use for calls and SMS in Loxo. After the customization is complete, start creating contacts of your applicants. Either create one at a time or upload them in bulk, and all of the contacts sync right into your Loxo dashboard. Need to call 30 candidates before lunch? Launch the dialer directly from their Loxo profile. And for that, first install KrispCall's dialer extension on your browser. Then select a contact profile and, beside the number and details, click on the KrispCall icon and select the call option. You're ready for the call right away. During calls, you can even add notes and tags to keep your profile's activity updated on the go. Sending reminders through SMS also becomes instant. Upon clicking the KrispCall icon, just choose the SMS option, type your message, and hit send. All these call logs, SMS, notes, and tags, they're readily available right in your Loxo for future compliance and assessments. And missed calls? No need to worry at all. Voicemails sync directly in profile activity with a link to listen to, so you can make informed decisions accordingly. That's how you bring KrispCall into your talent hiring workflow, without ever leaving Loxo. Built to make your recruitment faster, smarter, and more connected. Visit KrispCall.com today to streamline your candidate calls, all in one place.